Google Translate allows you to start opening up your classroom walls to connect with other students and teachers by reducing language barriers. Google Translate is a free translation service that provides instant translations between dozens of different languages. It can translate words, sentences, and web pages between any combination of supported languages. Right now, there are over 100. Of course, it doesn't always get it perfectly correct, but it normally gets close and continually gets better. Google Translate is also built into Google Docs. So now if you produce a classroom notice or school newsletter using Google Docs, you can click on Tools, Translate Document to translate it to whatever is the preferred language choice for the parents in your community. Let's take a look at how we use this. If you go to translate.google.com, you'll see two boxes. Here we can type in a word, a phrase, or a whole bunch of different characters. We have up to 5,000 in this text box. And then we can choose what language to translate it to. You'll see that it also gives us some synonyms and the English definition for each of those. If I use the drop-down list, I'll see the other options. Here I can also upload an entire document if I would like. I can browse my computer and find a doc, a PDF, a Word doc, whatever I would like, and it'll translate it the best that it can. Another thing you can use is the Google Translate extension. If you go to the Chrome Web Store and you search for Google Translate, you can add this to Chrome. When you do, it'll sit right here in your extension bar. So for example, if I go to a web page and I click on the Google Translate extension, I can try to translate just a word or phrase, or I can select Translate this page. When I do that, there's going to be a bar that pops up at the top. Here I have the same list of languages, and I can choose the language that I would like to translate this article to. It does the best that it can. The last thing you can do is, within a Google Doc, click Tools and then Translate Document. Here we have the same language choices, and I can click Translate. It's going to make a new Google Doc with the translated text. Again, it's not going to be perfect, but it will definitely reduce the language barriers in your class community.